Hello, everybody. Welcome to our wonderful program, a program designed to help people to achieve financial independence. You know, many people were asking me to put in place this kind of program. One day, a businessman and a management consultant walked into our office. He bought a copy of my book titled Who Said You Can't Be a Millionaire? And he couldn't put that book down. He was reading my book about wealth creation. And a few days later, he went back to our same bookshop. He gave to the owner a financial seed, that he must give that seed to the author, meaning me. This was an expression of appreciation for the impact of my book in his life. He felt that the book was worth much than the original price. So after seeing that many people were satisfied about my book, that was my first book about finance, and I sold so many copies, thousands and thousands of copies for the first edition. People were so blessed by that book that I decided to organize seminar, workshop for entrepreneurs, for CAO, for businessmen, all kinds of people. Those testimonials pushed me to set up what I call a school of wealth creation. So I hope that what we are going to do this day on this scope will also bless a lot of you. So you are going to see very important things times to time in this scope about wealth creation. We are going to see some wealth creation technique, wealth creation tool anybody can apply to organize his way and reach to the top. My name is Stephen Jonathan Dean. Most of you know me already. I'm also a financial coach. I'm also a life coach and motivational speaker also. So we are going to talk about some things about finances. You know, we need to be balanced, spirit, soul, and body. It's true, we are children of God, we are going to heaven, but we are living on earth. On earth, we need to pay bills. On earth, we need to send our kids to school. So we can't say we don't need money. We need to learn how to make money, how to create wealth. Not only for us, also for our loved ones. If you say you don't need money, your church need money, the ministry need money, the poor need money, your family need money, your father, your mother, your uncle, your nephew, they will call you for any kind of help or support. So thinking about all those things, I decided to put together a program on school that will help people to be blessed in that realm. And I hope that people will appreciate what you're about to do these days and they will be very blessed. So let me start by introducing our school, the School of Wealth Creation. If you're interested, send me a message on WhatsApp. I will see how I can create a program specifically for you. Now let me ask you a question. Who is a true millionaire? Because all of us, we talk about millionaires, but we don't know really who is a true millionaire. Who is a true millionaire? Who is a true millionaire? You know, people think that if you're a millionaire, you must make noise. Yeah, people think that if you're a millionaire, you must make noise. If they don't see you walking around with flashy cars, for them, you're not a millionaire. There are people who are millionaires, and there are people who are making big money in life, but they don't make noise. There are people who are making huge amount of money in their life, but they decide to live a simple life. Not because they can't afford it. This is their own decision based to their own personal beliefs and conviction. I make my first million, I was 21 years old. So I make my first million, it's more than 10 years today that I make my first million. So that's it, to explain you that I think that I have the right to speak about that topic because I know how to create money. So a person whose wealth amount to $1 million or more in some units or currency is a millionaire. Someone can be a millionaire in his own country, and if you go to UK, suddenly he's no more a millionaire, because all those stuff is relative to the operational currency within the zone where he or she operates. So a person who material wealth is valued at a million is a millionaire. Some people are millionaire but they don't have million in cash. Yeah, I'm seeing some people who are millionaire but they don't have million in cash. That means they possess land, they possess houses, maybe houses that the father gave to them. You are also a millionaire, because if you need to evaluate all what you possess as goods, as heritage, inherited from your father, my God, is a big money. So you can't say you are poor. You can't say when you are poor, when maybe you have some land somewhere, you have some car somewhere, you have some property somewhere, that you can convert all of that into money and you have a lot of money. So let us see today who is a true millionaire. Because people say millionaire, 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 millionaire. Let's understand who is a true millionaire. Let us see. A true millionaire understands the true nature of money. A real millionaire. A real millionaire will never allow money to rule or guide his life. You see people like Bill Gates, they are very rich, they are billionaires. See how they live. See how they dress. They are so simple. They are making less noise than people who can't even have the 1/10 of what they are making. A millionaire must not be a noise maker. Am I talking to somebody? So a true millionaire understands the true nature of money. He will never allow money to rule or guide his life. He knows that money is a good servant but a bad master. God wants you to have money, but God don't want money to have you. When money is directing you, you will crush people. You will use your money to control people and manipulate people. You're not a real millionaire. Actually, you are not even rich according to God. Am I talking to somebody? A true millionaire never takes money at his goal in life. Never. Money is not his goal in life. For him, peace and joy are more valuable than money. That's a true millionaire. He understands the value of money, and he knows how to use money as a tool to get more money. That is a true millionaire. He's not trying to destroy humanity in order to make money. If you are rich by killing people, you are not rich. If you are rich by stealing money, you are not rich. If you are rich by doing fake business, you are not a millionaire. You are just a thief. You are not rich. You don't know the value of work. A true millionaire understands the value of time. Because for a real millionaire, time is money. And he will never waste his time. But real millionaire and true millionaire maximize their time. Am I communicating to somebody? That's why they are rich. They know how to use their time. But people who are not successful financially waste their time. That's why some people think that they can come into your life and take 2 hours from you, 3 hours for you, because they think that they are more valuable than you. As they are important things to do with their time, so you have important things to do with your time. A true millionaire is a problem solver. Let's say the case of Microsoft, Bill Gates. He solved a problem and make a lot of money. Let's say the case of somebody like KFC, the founder of KFC. He found a recipe and he became very rich. So a true millionaire is a problem solver. They use what they have to answer to human needs, and money is answering to them. What you have as gift. What is your gift? If your gifts can solve problem in humanity, believe me, money is coming to you. Some people, their gift is to entertain and they are rich. Some people, their gift is to make us to laugh and they are rich. Some people, their gift is to instruct and they are rich. Some people, their gift is to train, make people better and they are rich. Some people, their gift is to teach us how to dress, how to eat, how to cook, how to play football. No matter what is your gift, if you can answer to human needs, money will answer to you. True millionaires use their gift, their resources, their talent for the good of humanity. That's why they are rich. And that's why they are really rich and they are true millionaires. And they are blessed and prosperous. A true millionaire loves to work and he understands the power of work. Real millionaires are hardworking people. They love to work. They leave the office late as the last person because they know the value of work and the importance and the power of work. Am I talking to somebody? So they know that without it, nothing can be done. that with that work, nothing can come out. They enjoy work. They not endure work. They enjoy working. That's their secret. The contrary is very, very pathetic and very heart-touching. Poor people waste their time. Millionaires invest their time to secure their future. Poor people like to waste their money. Millionaires invest their money to secure their future. Poor people don't like to take any risk, but millionaires are risk taker. They are risk taker. That's how they make their money. They are not afraid to make risk. If they fail, they learn. If they succeed, it will be a breakthrough. They are doing everything to try to change your life. While poor people and not successful people, they are afraid to take risks and they maintain the status quo. True millionaires build the future for the children and grandchildren. They understand that they are blessed to be a blessing. So they are working not only for them, but for their children and for their children's children. For you, are you working right now? Think about your children and think about your children's children. That's time God will see you as a true millionaire. A true millionaire supports the work of God and the needy. A true millionaire is a philanthropist. He likes to invest in charity because the society gives him a lot and is giving back what the society gave to him. He likes to pay his tithe. He likes to support the work of God. He likes to support the poor. He likes to help people who are crying, who are in need. And he don't use his money to control them. Not because people are poor, then you must crush them. If you crush people because you are rich, you are not rich. You are a poor man with money. If you are giving money because you want your name to be publicized everywhere, you are just doing the marketing. If you are giving money because you are waiting something in return, you are not doing charity, you are just a calculating person. You must know the mission of money, the mission of your wealth, and the mission of your prosperity. That's where we can talk about a real millionaire. As I'm introducing our school, some people are really interested already. They say we need to learn more about those things. We need to learn. I think I can get something from that school. Yes, you can get something from that school. I'm waiting for you in our school. We have group class. We have also one-to-one coaching and mentoring. No, real millionaires, they like to understand what they are doing and they are focused. They want to learn about what they are doing. They read about what they are doing. They get information about what they are doing and they stay focused. They stay focused. They control every step they are doing. They invest their money and their time to get more knowledge and more wisdom. And they convert that knowledge into profit. Am I speaking to somebody? Am I speaking to somebody? This is an introduction for a wonderful school who will start very soon. The name of the school is a School of Wealth Creation. Are you a millionaire? Do you want to be a millionaire? Do you want to create a future for your family, for your loved one? This is your school. Are you a businessman? Are you a man of God? Are you a Christian? Do you plan to have financial independence? This is your school. You are invited to join us in our program. We are going to give you specific practical insight to move from poverty to your first million, and for your first million to your next million. The first million sometimes is difficult to make, but the second one are very easy. God bless you for listening to us. God bless you for your time. I hope you invite a lot of people. Tell to your friend that there is a school that will start very soon about wealth creation, and you are all invited. If you're interested about that school, send me a message right now. My Skype ID is Emeritus67. Emeritus67, like Emeritus. Emeritus67. And my WhatsApp number is +63 947 21 87 875. I repeat, +63 947 21 87 875. Till I come to your way, God bless you. Stay blessed. Don't forget, success is a choice. I love you. God love you. You are blessed in Jesus' name.